Good morning, all of you. So today we will be discussing regarding the data warehouse concept in the data mining. How a particular data warehouse is combined with data mining to perform an efficient data analysis. So in this session, we'll give you an introduction about data warehouse. What is a data warehouse, and what is the difference between database and data warehouse, and why all of the companies and all the institutions or the organizations prefer data warehousing instead of or in addition to database management of their transactions of or their day-to-day activities. So we'll see all those things. So these are the contents. So what is a data warehouse? So data warehouse is a repository of data, a historical data. So those data will be archived. So here we need to focus upon two important concepts, the database and the data warehouse. Database, as we all know, that it will record the daily transactions, what all things. If we go to bank, the daily transaction, what is actually happening, how many amount is deposited for a particular customer, how many they are actually withdrawing. So there the analysis part is not happening. So here data warehouse will help you analyze the particular data, and with the help of the data mining algorithms we'll be with the help of the data mining algorithms we'll be able to do an efficient data analysis and hence a better decision making. So a data warehouse is something like something which very much helps in decision support system. It's something like a decision support database that is maintained separately from the operational database. Operational database is a transaction database, that is a day-to-day activities are recorded in the transaction databases. And here, according to a particular scientist, that is W.H. Inmon, data warehouse, we have four important keywords for data warehouse. So data warehouse can be defined as it is a subject-oriented, integrated, time-invariant, and non-volatile collection of data in support of the management's and decision making process. So here we should understand about the core important the keywords. One, the data warehouse is a subject oriented. We will see in detail all these keywords. Subject oriented, then integrated, time variant, and also non-volatile. So here the main thing is like it helps in the data warehouse helps in a better decision making process. And data warehousing is the concept of building and constructing and using a particular, the process of constructing and using a data warehouse is called data warehousing. So now we'll see the keywords one by one. Data warehouse. Data warehouse is a subject oriented task. So subject oriented means it is organized around major subjects, that is customer, product, sales, then student, then marks. All those things can be called as subjects. So when we model and analyze that particular data for the decision makers, we are not focusing upon the daily transaction or day-to-day transactions of the data, and but we are trying to look the data into a broader perspective and how to analyze that particular data to give you a meaningful information, and that information will help you in a better decision making. Next one is integrated. Data warehouse is actually a combination of heterogeneous data. So here, the data warehouse can be a combination of different relational databases, flat files, then the hierarchical databases, maybe just the files, so many online transaction records. So it will be having a heterogeneous nature. So the tedious task is to combine all these data into a standardized uh, source, into a standardized. So we have to construct the data warehouse by integrating multiple heterogeneous data sources. So for doing that, data pre-processing techniques are very important, like data cleaning and data integration techniques are applied. So data warehouse is a time variant data. Time variant means it will store the history of a particular data. For usually in database we will store the data like daily basis. We will store the data, what all transactions happen, what all things happen. But in data warehouse we actually store the data in terms of 1 week what has happened, 2 weeks what has happened, maybe 1 month, 1 quarter what has happened, in 6 months, in 1 year, like that. It is organizing the repository based on the informations, or based on the informations which is loaded into the data warehouse. It is organizing it based on the history of data. So here I have already told that the data warehouse, the data is provided in something like a historical perspective, past 5 to 10 years. So based on analyzing that 5 to 10 years, we'll be able to, we 5 to 10 years, we'll be able to find out a meaningful information, or a very good analysis we'll be able to do it from that particular data. So every key structure in the data warehouse, it contains an explicit element of time. So based on a particular time will be there. Next one is the data warehouse is a non-volatile. It is a permanent store of a data that is transformed from the operational environment. So the operational data, the update of a data does not occur in the data warehouse environment. So the basic data warehouse, it requires only two important tasks. First one is the initial loading of the data, and the next is the access of the data. But here we don't require the frequent access, but the rather in the other case in database, which we access the data every time, lot of accessing of data comes. But in data warehouse, whenever a problem statement comes to you, that time only you'll go for fetching that data. So the two important operations are there. First one is the initial loading of the data after the cleaning and integrating, and then next is the access of data. So here we have data warehouse and data heterogeneous DBMS. So with this, I hope that you got a clear idea about the definition of the data warehouse, and you got an idea about what is data warehouse. Thank you so much.